What's up, guys? This is BK from BK Photos, and I am super excited to let you guys know that we are finally done with the job. We are finally done with the project. What project, you may ask? Yes, we did a promotional video for Capital View recently. You know, their new building, the tower, the talk of the town. Capital View is one of the finest hotels here in Eastern region. Like, is the biggest hotel in Koforidua, and Koforidua is the capital of Eastern region. So basically, that is the top-notch hotel here. Yeah. So and yours truly was privileged enough to do a promotional video for them. I didn't do it alone. I did it with JB Visuals, one of the excellent videographer we have here in Ghana and Koforidua, to be precise. And I also had Omac, the guitar, on as a drone pilot. He's an excellent pilot. He's very good. All the correct angles, the area views, Charlie. Any area view you've seen in my video is that guy who shot it. He's so good. I had Prince. Prince is an excellent videographer as well. And my assistant, the one who worries me very well, Danso, he was also on board. And yeah, a beautiful lady, our Muse, my only one and only Muse. Kiki was also around to help make sure that everything went on tight. Yeah, so guys, follow me. Charlie, let's check everything out. Watch the video and enjoy. But more importantly, go there and book a room and sleep there. Do something for your skin.